Hi, my name is Nenji, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your shipping address phone number a required field on Shopify. So let's dive into my computer as I show you. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify account. Log into your Shopify account, and then you go to settings. Go to settings, and then you go to checkout. Go to checkout. Go to checkout. Go to checkout, and then you scroll down, and when you get to shipping address phone number, shipping address phone number, it says don't include, so you change it from don't include to required, make it required, and then you save. You're good to go. So if this video helped in a way, please do help to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.